Welcome to the class of genius.
Now today we'll be looking at matrix. We want to continue of what we treated last week. Remember I said matrix is a rectangular array. Now and matrix is denoted by using rows. We have rows and we have columns. Columns. That is how we declare what a matrix is all about. So what type of matrix is this? I just want to revise. So we have, let's say we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. We have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. We have this and we have this. Now, how do we know the rows and how do we know the column? And I said it is represented as rows and columns. That's rows by columns. That's matrix. Now, how do we know what row is? Row is horizontal, is an horizontal array. Horizontal direction like this, like this, like this. So how many times we have the first one, which is 6, 7, 8. We have the second one as well, 9, 10, 11. Why we have the third one as well, 12, 13, and 14. So that is 13 rows. We have 13 rows. That is, we have 3 rows rather. We have 3 rows. That is 1, 2, and 3. That's 3 rows. Then what about the columns? How do we declare the column? Column is like this, the vertical 1, 2, and the third one. Do you understand? That is 6, 9, 12, 7, 10, 13, 8, 11, 14. That's what, that's our columns. So we are looking at what? The multiplication of matrix. Now, look at our question. Say let A be what? A11, A12, A21, A what? 22. And let our B be what? B11, B12, B21, and B22. Now, how do we go about that? Very easy. Now, let's go. A times B. That will give us this times this, this times this. Do you see that? We're using the rows to multiply the columns here. That will be A11 multiplied by this one, B11. Do you understand? Then plus this one that we have here, A12, we multiply this one that is under here, B21. That's for one set like that. You see that? Now we move to the second one. This one, the way we did this one, that's the same. We're also going to multiply this one. That will be A11 multiplied by B12. That is this. Now plus this one now, A12. Then what's left? B22. I hope you get that. I hope you get that. Now we move to the next one. A21. This one we also multiply this one the same way this one did it. This one multiply this one times B11 plus A22 times B21. This one multiply this one. This for this for this. Same as this part. A21 times B12. This one here. Then we have plus A22 times B22. Do you understand that? Now, okay. That's how we are going to do the sets. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Now, let us now look at some examples. Now, let's go. Now, we are given that given that A is equals to, okay, let me just write that. Given that A is equals to, we have 3, 2, 4, 1. We have 3, 2, 3, 2, 4, 1, and we have 5 and minus 1. Did you see that? Then for the second part, which is B, we have it as 4, 3, minus 2, and we have 5, 1, and 4. Now, if the row and the column are equal, you can multiply it. Note that if the row and the column are equal, you can what? Multiply it. Now look at this one. We have the number of rows we have here is just this 3 and 2. Just 2 digits on the first row, and 2 digits here also on the first column. 2 here 2 here. Do you understand? Now let us go. You know this one is 3 by 2. That is 1, 2, 3. That is 3 by 2. Why this one is what? 2 by 3. Do you understand that? Now, so that's it. So we solve solution. We have A and B. Now, what's our A? You follow this format. We have 3, 2, 4, 1, 5, 1. B, we have 4, 3, minus 2, 5, 1, 4. So that will be this one and this one. That's 3 times 4. 3 and 4. Do you understand that? 3 times 4. I hope you grab that. 3 and 4. This 2 plus this 2 plus 2 times 5. 2 times 2 and 5. 2 times 5. Then we go again. You know you are done for this part now. For this part, we move again. 3 times 3. This 2 here. We are done with this part. Let's do the second. Plus 2 times 1. So we go again. 3 times minus 2. This 2 here. And we have plus 2 times 4. Did you see that? This one and this one. 2 and 4. Then bring it down. Now we go for the second row. So we have what? 4 times 4. This 4 here and 4. Then plus this 2 here. 1 times 5. Don't confuse yourself. This one and this one like this, and like this. That's what we are doing. So we continue. This one and this one, we've done that. Then this one and this one. Now the same pattern you use for these 2 and these 2. That's the same pattern I use for these 2 and these 2. So that will give us 4. All we have here, and the one at the top here, times the 3. Then plus this one here, 1. Then times this one that we have there. I hope you understand. This one and this one that we have there. Then we have 4. Again, move to the last one. 4 times minus 2. And we have plus 1 times, we have 4. 1 and 4. You understand? So the last one we have 5 and what's 5 and 4. This 5 and this 4. Then plus this minus 1. This one is having a negative. So you put minus 1. Let's put it in bracket. Minus 1 times the 5 is there. 5. Then we move again. 5 again. This 5 and this middle one. 5 times 3. Then plus this one again. Minus 1 times 1. We have use 5 again. 5 times, look at this, is minus 2, so minus 2 plus minus 1 times 4. This 2 here. You can grab that. Now let us do it. That will give us 3 times 4. You know we've done it now. 3 times 4. That will give us 12 plus 2 times 5. That will give us 10. Do you grab that? Then we move again. This second part. 3 times 3. That will give us what? 9. Then plus 2 times 1. That will give us what? 2. Then move again. That's minus 6. 3 times minus 2. That's minus 6. Then plus 8. That is 2 times 4. That will give us what? 8. Then we move again. 4 times 4. That will give us 16 plus 1 times 5. That's 5. Then 4 times 3. That's what? 12. Plus 1 times 1. That's 1. You see, we are done with this one. We are also done with this one. Now, this part also. If you feel just bracket it like this, so that you not make mistake. Bracket is bracket is bracket is bracket is bracket. Put them in brackets like this, 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 and the last part also you can put them in brackets. Note, you don't use the same bracket though. So you use this one inside the bracket. Why this one also? If you want to use this one, you need to use this one inside. And if you want to use this one, you need to use this bracket inside it. You don't use square bracket and square bracket again. So we are done now. This place here, the other bracket, we have 4 times minus 2, that gives us minus 6, then plus 4, plus 4 times 1, that's 4. Then come to this place, we have 20, then minus 1 times 5. That will give us what? Minus 5. But looking at it, if we have minus 5, remember we have plus. We have plus. We have a plus here. We have a plus here, right? We have a plus. So the plus, the minus will affect this plus. It's done this one to minus. Don't forget, minus 1 times 5, that's minus 5. Then minus 5 times plus 1, that's what? Minus 5 again. Then we go again. 5 times 3 give us 12. 15. Then minus, you see, the minus here. Minus times plus minus 1 times 1. 1. Then we have minus 10. Then we have minus 4. That will give us, that is equals to, this one is what? It will give us 12 plus 10. That will give us 22. On this part, here we have 11. Here we have 2. Here we have 21. Here we have 13. Here we have minus 2. Here we have 15. Here we have 14. Here we have minus 14. Do you see that? It is a very simple logic. Just multiply this one by this one, this one by this one, this one by this one. That's it. Then you need to write your answers out. So we got a 3 by 3 matrix. So that's that about that. If you have a question, I just drop it on the comment section. This part here, it is 4 times minus 2 will give us 8. So that was a mistake. So it's supposed to be 8. Then we have minus 8. This part, that's minus 8. I wrote minus 6. That's an error. I'm sorry for that. So that's minus 8 plus 4 will give us what? Minus 4. To the second example of that's the second example looking at under this topic, multiplication of matrix. Now the question is, let A be 1 4 2 minus 3, and let B be what? 5 0, C be what? 6 and 1, and let C be 3 2 3 3 2 minus 1. Now this is the question. We are going to define A B, A C, A plus C, A, and we have B and C. So it means that if you've not if you are still having issue with the addition and the subtraction of matrix, you can just go through our previous videos to check the addition aspect. I'm also going to lay more emphasis on this part for those of you that do not watch the previous video. Now we have AB as the first one. AB, that's the one question. Remember I said this one and this one, this one and this one. That is rows by column. That will give us 1 here. 1 times, you put it in bracket, 5. Why am I putting it in bracket? So that you don't make a mistake. Then plus 4 and this one. 4 times 6. Do you understand that? Then that's that for the first row and the first column. The first G there. Then we have the next one as 1 times 0 plus these 2. 4 times 1. Do you grab that? Now we have AC. We have the second part, which is 2 and 5. That will give us 2 times 5. Then plus, let me write it very well so that I can see it. 5. Then plus these 2 here. Minus 3 times 6. We have these 2. 2 and 0. And we have plus minus 3 times 1. Do you understand that? So that's that about that. Then the next thing is just to write our results. So AB give us 5 plus 24, right? 1 times 0 gives us 0 plus we have 4. Then followed by we have 10 here, then plus open bracket, you know we have a minus, then put in another bracket. That's 18 minus 18. Then we have the next one as 2 times 0 should give us 0 plus open another bracket, so of the minus 3. Now let's do the calculation. 5 plus 24 gives us what? 29. This one plus this one is what? 4. Why this one gives us 10 plus, and we have minus 18. So you know it means you are owing 18 naira and you paid what? 10 naira. So what would be the result? That's what? Minus 8. Then we have the next one as 0 plus open bracket minus 3. So this one gives us what? Minus, that's 0 minus 3. That gives us what? Minus 3. So that's that for the AB. Do you understand that? Now we move for AC. Number 2. We move for AC. Now A and C, this part and this part, that will give us what? 1 and 3. That's 1 times 3, then plus 4 and this 2. Did you see that? 4 times 2. I hope you get what I'm doing. Now this 1 and this 3 here, and this 4 and this 1, this first row and this first column, that's what we are doing. Then for this part also, we say 2, we say 1, we have done 1 and 3, right? And we've done 4 and 2. So we move to 1 and 3, 4 and minus 1. 1 and 3, 4 and minus 1. That's 1 times 3, then plus 4 times minus 1. 4 minus 1. Do you understand that? So move to the next one. This one multiply this one. That gives us what? 2 times this 2 and this 3 times 3. Then we have plus. We have this one also. Minus 3 times this 2. Now followed by the next one. This 2 again times this 3 that is there plus this 3 again times this one that is there. You see that this for this, this for this, then this for this, this for this again. So that will give us what? Is equals to, from this place, 1 times 3 will give us what? 3. Then plus 4 times 2 will give us what? 8. Followed by this one give us what? 6. Then plus this one give us what? Minus. Don't forget minus is there. So you give our minus. Then 3 times 2. That will give us what? 6. Then for this part we have what? 3 times 1 is 3. While this one we have plus. You open your bracket because of the minus that is there. That's minus 4. Then we move on. For this part, okay, we've done this side here, it means this side. That will give us 6 here. Then plus, then minus, look at it, we have 2 minus here. Minus time will give us positive. Then 3 times 1, 3 times 1 will give us what? 3. So that's what? 3 plus 8. That's what? 11. This one give us what? Minus 1. This one give us 0. This one give us 9. I hope you understand that. 11 minus 1. 0 and 1. Move to AC. Don't forget to like, comment and share also. So we have A plus C. Let us write it out so that we don't make mistake. We have 1 for 2 minus 3, and we also have C. That's 3. We have 2, we have 3, and we have minus 1. So A plus B, these 2. That's 1 plus 3, then 1 plus 3, that's it. So we have this one also, 4 plus 3. They always add each other. This for this, this for this. They are followed by this one, 2 plus 2. These 2 here. Why this one also? Minus 1, minus 3 plus minus 1. So that's, this one is what? 4. This one is what? 7. This one is what? 4. This one is what? Minus 4. Do you understand that? So move to the next one. We have B plus C. We have B plus C. We have A and we have B plus C. So that's the first one. That gives us A in bracket B plus C. But the first thing you need to do in this case is just to get your A and C. Do you understand? A plus C. B plus C rather. So we have B plus C. So give us what? What was our B? Let us write them out. We have 5, 0, 6, 1. That's our B. Then for the C, we have 3, 3, 2, minus 1. So that will give us this and this. That's what? 5 plus 3. Then we have 0 plus 3. 0 and 3. So we also have this and this. That's 6 plus 2. Then we have 1 plus minus 1. Minus 1. That's like in brackets. So we have this one will give us what? Let me just write it at the side here. To give us 8. This one give us 3. This one give us 8. Why this one give us what? 0. I hope you understand that. Now the question is, what is A and this one? Now it means we are going to multiply A and we have B plus C. What is our A according to what we have here? So our A is 1, 4, 2, minus 3. That's our A. Then the result for B plus C is what? Times 8, 8, 3, 0. So we multiply this and this, this and this. Do you understand? Don't forget that. That's 1, wait in bracket 1, wait in bracket 1 times 8, then plus 4 times 8, then followed by 1 times 3 plus 4 times 0. You see that? This part 2 times 8 plus minus 3 times 8. Then we have 2 times 3 plus minus 3 times 0. This one and this one, this one and this one. That's how we got that. So let us put our answer here is equals to, this one is what? 8 times 1. 1 times 8 is what? 8. Then 4 times 8 will give us what? That's plus 32. This one give us what? 3 plus 0. This one give us 16. 16 minus is here, so it's after this 4. That's minus 24. This one give us 6. Then minus what we have here, 0. I hope you understand that. So let us write our result in this place. So 8 plus 32 will give us what? It give us 40. It give us 40. Then 3 plus 0 give us 3. That one give us minus 8. But that one give us what? 6. So we are done with the question from 1 to 4. If you have any other question, you can just put your question in the comment section.